How to cash out from Coinbase in 40 seconds. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow the steps. So for that, you may open up your Coinbase account or the application and log in into your account, and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, under this home tab, at the second tab, you should be finding option called My Assets. You may go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you will be getting the total balance and different options available. Now from the given options, you may scroll down. And once you scroll down here, you should be finding your crypto and cash. So from here, select Bitcoin first. And then after selecting Bitcoin, you may sell up your Bitcoin. So tap on the sell option from your screen, go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, enter up the amount that you would like to sell. So go ahead and type in that and tap on sell Bitcoin and tap on review order. After that is done here, it will add cash to your USD wallet. So just go ahead and confirm that place order. And it may take about few seconds. Just go ahead and tap on done after your order is done. Once that is done, you may go ahead and select up the second option, which is My Cash right above the My Crypto after you head back. And then tap on USD coin, tap on it, in which you transferred the money, the Bitcoin to. After that is done here, you should be finding a cash out option from your screen under this United States dollar, add cash and cash out option. Go ahead and tap on cash out. And after tapping on cash out, you may select up the amount that you would like to cash out from your Coinbase. So go ahead and type in the amount and tap on preview cash out. After that, you may choose up an option like how you want it to be cashed out. If you want it instant, there will be some charges applied. Whereas if you want the standard form, which is 1 to 3 business days, you may go ahead and select that and go on with the process. Once you have selected your method, you can tap on cash out now from the screen. Go ahead and confirm it. And once that is done, you should be able to cash out from Coinbase just like that. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.